Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make neon glow text effects in CapCut. So the first you can click new project, and after that I will choose stock videos as a background here. Then click add, and after that you can click text and add text. You can write everything here. I want to write tongue buzz, and then click on font and choose the font. I will choose this one, then click on style and I will choose the color. Then click check icon to save, and after that you can resize it so the text will be more bigger. Then export the video. You can click back, then click plus to add the video that we have exported. Move the text to the first video and then click on the text, then click style and change the color to white. Click on animation, and under the animation click on loop, then choose random flag and then click save. Click back again, then click on the effects, and after that click video effects, and then on the shadow, under the shadow you have to click on the effects angel, click save. So this is the result. So that is how to make neon glow text effects in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.